Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm the project manager at Appus Studio. We get a lot of questions from our clients about the app development workflow. We always try to be as detailed as possible about it, as it's quite important to understand the idea and procedure of application development. Now, let's get started. Basically, the process consists of 4 stages. The first one is initiating, then planning and estimating, then implementing and releasing. And now I would like to speak about each point separately to clarify all the details and answer all your questions. So, the first step that we need to take in our cooperation is receiving the specification in wireframes. The more details we receive, the better final result fits your requirements. If the markups with the job description are very precise, that's a major and important part of the app development. The second step is planning and estimating. We estimate the project using some project priorities such as time, cost, and scope. One way to visualize this is the well-known project triangle. Let's analyze each triangle side in a nutshell. As for the time, a project activities can either take shorter or longer amount of time to complete. Completion of tasks depends on a number of factors such as number of people working on the project, experience, skills, etc. Regarding the cost, it's imperative for both the project manager and the organization to have an estimated cost when undertaking a project. Budgets will ensure that the project is developed or implemented below a certain cost. Concerning the scope, a scope consists of a list of deliverables. A successful project manager will know how to manage both the scope of the project and any change in scope which impacts time and cost. But remember, if you adjust any one side of the triangle, the other 2 sides are affected. The third step in our plan is implementing. The app development process is quite simple. Each client has their own personal project manager who can help anytime and give an advice. If you know nothing about app development, that's not a problem at all. Well, we start from design. First of all, we need to create mockups, of course. Using the wireframes, designers understand the client's need and it's easier to create exactly what you want. When the mockups are ready, the designer slices the elements and resizes it for all the devices. After that, the work on the functionality must be started. Of course, we can't work all the time without showing a progress to the client. That's why each app is divided into deadlines. When the deadline is here, we upload the version for the client to check the updates. Note, before uploading the version, it must be checked by testers. They need to make sure that the version is done in a proper way and meet the standards of app specification. When the app is done, tested and confirmed by the client, we need to move the version from the development server to a production one and set up it for you. In general, it takes 1 working day. And now, the most pleasant part, the first step is releasing, uploading the app to the App Store or Google Play. When the app is submitted for review, we need to wait some time before the app is published. Google takes less time for publishing, Apple checks everything more thoroughly, and it requires up to 5 days to publish the version. I think that's it. The whole process of the app development workflow in a few sentences. Not so difficult as you firstly thought, isn't it? With that being said, I hope this little speech wasn't a waste of time and that you found some great information that will help you make a decision. Thanks for your time and good luck with your project.